What up, y'all? Been a crazy, tough week, man. 3 tests, 1 quiz, range week all week. My grades were up and down all week, man. A lot of people starting to notice the videos, though, man. A lot of people that's here, a lot of people that's not here. And it's starting to get kind of crazy, bro. I like it, though. Hey, but swipe up so you can see the new video. I got the link. Swipe up. Check it out, man. Share the video, man. People appreciate it. Not just for me. They appreciate the videos. They motivated, bro. Go check them out, man. Corona Boy Third out here getting that drills hard school, right? Getting in these late night studies, bro. I wish I knew how to do that freaking Zoom. Hey, that's the Mazda right there, man. I'm sure I'm gonna pass this last freaking test, bro. Well, not this last one, but this next one. I'm positive, man. I'm confident. I feel it, bro. I feel the blessing. God's already about to hook me up, man. I'm about to get it, bro. Bro, can you believe this? This is the second time today. I'm trying to study. I'm walking around pacing like this, trying to study and recite. Second time today, bro. Close your doors when you shower, man.
The fire alarm.
Whack, man. I don't know, man. I might. It's my boy Lee right here. What's going on, man? We out here. Got a couple people out here studying their modules. These other guys out here studying for their PT. You see him back there? Okay, see him. Yeah, there they go. That's how we spend our weekends out here sometimes.